Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Pratyush, you are watching Tech Guru. Today I am going to tell about the types of DC motors. Before that, I just wanted to tell about the motor and what is the main cause behind the rotation of the motor. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share, comment and click on bell icon to get latest updates. So, let's start our video. Friends, what is a motor? A motor is an electrical device that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is nothing but the rotation. Second thing is, what is the main cause behind the rotation of the motor? For every motor, we have two components. Those are stator and rotor. Armature winding placed in rotor and field winding is placed in stator. When the power supply is given to the motor, some of the current travels towards the rotor and some of the current travels towards the stator. Then the two fluxes are generated. Armature winding produces armature flux, field winding produces main field flux. The interaction between these two fluxes produces force. This force excites on the armature conductors. The armature conductors of rotor get rotated. All the forces exerted on the armature conductors combinedly forms a torque. Friends, this is all about DC motor. Now coming to the types of DC motors. Today I am going to discuss first 18 DC motors.
Coming to the first motor, it's called a vibrator motor. It consumes 3.7 volts and 35 milliamps of current, and it is also called a no-load motor, which is used for vibration purpose. Second, mini drone motors. It consumes 3.7 volts and 40 milliamps of current. It is used as a drone motor and also a gear motor. Third, mini drone motors 615. It consumes 3.7 volts and 90 milliamps of current. Fourth, 500 rpm gear motor. It consumes 12 volts and current 0.55 amps. Fifth motor, 300 rpm gear motor. Voltage 12 volts, current 24 milliamps. Sixth motor, 10 rpm gear motor. Voltage 12 volts and 20 milliamps of current consumption. Seventh motor, 1000 rpm gear motor. Voltage 12 volts, current 28 milliamps. Motor number 8, 500 rpm bow motor. Consumes 12 volts and 137 milliamps of current. Used for car projects. Torque is very less, but it's a gear motor. Motor number 9, 100 rpm bow motor. Consumes 12 volts and 50 milliamps of current. Motor number 10, N20 motor. Voltage is 5 volts and 28 milliamps of current. It is used in toy cars. Motor number 11, DVD motors. Voltage is 5 volts and 42 milliamps of current. It is used in computers and DVD players. Drone DC motor. Consumes 5 volts and 0.20 amps of current. 140 DC motor. We have two motors with this name. Its voltage is constant 5 volts and the current consumption of these voltages are different. Those are 0.40 amps and 0.20 amps. 140 big motor. Consumes 12 volts and 24 milliamps of current. It is used for hair dryers and trimmers. Motor number 16, 360 DC motor. Voltage is 5 volts and current consumption is 16 milliamps. Used in big toy cars. 17th motor, 130 DC motor. Voltage is 5 volts
and current consumption is 0.66 amps. Last motor for this video, 130 FH DC motor, consumes 5 volts and 32 milliamps of current consumption. Friends, I have given the Amazon links to buy the motors. You can buy from there.